A $30,000 payout is what one of my students have just requested by literally only using fair value gaps and liquidity in the market. Now, there is no need whatsoever to overcomplicate your day trading strategy. I have a community with over 20,000 members, and every single one of those members I teach to not overcomplicate your strategy at all. As you can see, we are currently respecting a bearish fair value gap above in the market. As well as us respecting this bearish fair value gap, we have now created a bullish fair value gap further below, and this is how I get into my short positions. I wait for a candle close below a bullish fair value gap, then I will enter into a short position. My stop loss is simply if we get a candle close back above this now inversion fair value gap. My take profit is simply sell side liquidity, then I will leave a runner to a stringer draw in liquidity that is a higher target. And this model has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. So if you want to join my trading community and watch me trade live, the link is simply in my bio. I have over an 80% win rate, and one of the main reasons for that is because I use my stop loss differently than how most traders actually use their stop loss in the market. We've had a sweep on sell side liquidity right here in the market. As well as that, we have now created a bearish fair value gap, which is marked out here. Now, I don't short from bearish fair value gaps like most traders do. All I do is I wait for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap, so right here for example. Then I will enter into my long position. Now this is the important part. My stop loss will be only if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap. I do not care about the wicks of a candle. I am only looking at the bodies of candles, and this is one of the main reasons why I have over an 80% win rate when it comes to day trading. So as you can see, price action comes down and wicks past my stop loss, but I would not have been stopped out, as my stop loss is if we get a candle close below this point on the market. Then as you can see, price comes up and smashes my take profit. I trade live every single day in my Discord. If you want to watch me trade live and join my trading community, the link is simply in my bio. I achieved a 100% win rate today trading live, and all I use is liquidity and fair value gaps in the market. We have this market structure shift or break of structure to the downside, but this is where most traders are going wrong. I do not care about market structure shifts at all in the market. I only look at this as a sweep on sell side liquidity. After this sweep on sell side liquidity right here, we have created this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. Now, what most ICT traders would do in this situation is look for short positions from a bearish fair value gap like this, and this is just incorrect. So what I do is I simply wait for the bearish fair value gaps in the market to be inversed. Now all that means is as soon as we get a candle close above a bearish fair value gap like this, I will enter into a long position. My stop loss is simply if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and my take profit is simply a buy side liquidity that is resting in the market. Now this model has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day on my Discord. If you want to join my trading community, the link will be in my bio. Trading with order blocks in the market is simply what you should not be doing now. What you should be doing if you want to make the most out of day trading is simply wait for fair value gaps to be inversed in the market. Now, all this means is we are trading fair value gaps differently to how most ICT traders have been taught to trade fair value gaps. And most ICT traders are simply unprofitable in the market. So why would you do what they are doing? This is exactly what you are going to do when you are trading. Now as you can see, we have the sweep on sell side liquidity. As well as the sweep on sell side liquidity, we have also created this bearish fair value gap in the market. Now this is where this strategy is so different to the normal ICT strategy. Most ICT traders will see this as a market structure shift to the downside, then look for short positions from this bearish fair value gap, but this is just wrong. What I am going to do is I see this as a sweep on sell side liquidity. I wait for a candle close above this now inversion fair value gap, and I simply target buy side liquidity that was resting in the market. Now I trade this model live every single day in my Discord, so if you want to join my trading community and watch me trade live, the link is simply in my bio.